The following one is for that flower paper. The flower paper is worn with this tension rod, and then here's the cloth. The cloth is worn through the tension rod above. Here. This tension rod up here. Then put the paper together under it. Our cloth is on it. Then go in from above. Pull it after entering. Pull down the fabric. When it came out, separate from above the rod. After separation, that position is put away on this cloth. And let's talk about this in general. Here is the power switch, because we are now thick with fabric. I don't have any isolation paper here. This is an elastic blanket. Put away the waste paper like this. We turn this power switch on. After turning it on, adjust the temperature settings. Click Set. This is plus. This is minus. Frequency conversion starts on. If the frequency conversion is turned on, it will only rotate here. The roller will rotate if it's done turning. You have to adjust the speed. Just press these buttons here. Don't press them. Press here to adjust the speed. Then you want the temperature to be set. You have to press to heat it up. This is an over temperature alarm. This one is a forward turn, a reverse turn. Forward rotation and reverse rotation also refer to this roller. Now we ray going forward. It will come out when reversed. This is the emergency stop switch. These are 3 ammeters. Then when our power switch is turned on, the automatic change function has already been activated. Automatic perimeter systems are located on the perimeter. This is the origin. This means up and down. We also have a manual one. Click to manually. But you don't need to press it. This is a reset. Click this one. It's a bitmap of the parameters. Then we are all automatic gears now. For manual transmission, you can adjust it manually according to this. It only takes 1 minute to get back to the starting point. Then this one hits. Is this one open? This one opens to adjust the air pressure. Our current air pressure is so high. This is sized. The true opposite of this one. This one. This one refers to the speed of the tune here. The speed of the charger. And we're going to look at the printed version. It's beautifully printed. Because we don't have glasses now. So this is, Put a plank. The plank is a little warped there, but it was flat when he went in.